Hi students, welcome to Veteach. In this video, we are going to start a similar model paper of TCS NQT. See the first question. A bag contains 4 blue shirts, 5 red shirts and 6 yellow shirts. 3 shirts are drawn randomly. What is the probability that exactly one of them is blue? So out of the total number of shirts, 3 shirts are selected. So the total number of shirts are 4 plus 5 plus 6. So total 15 shirts are there. So out of them we are drawing 3 shirts. So 15 C3 ways. So this is the total number of ways. Now what is the probability that one of them is blue? So out of this 15 shirts, compulsory we should select one blue shirt. So out of 4 blue shirts, 1 shirt is selected and the remaining shirts are selected out of 15 minus 4. That means we are excluding the 4 blue shirts. We will get 11. So out of the remaining 11 shirts, we will select 2 shirts. This is our favorable event. So probability is nothing but favorable event by total number of possible outcomes. That is equals to 14C1 into 11C2 by 15C3. That is equal to 4 factorial by 1 factorial into 4 minus 1, 3 factorial into 11 factorial by 2 factorial into 11 minus 2, 9 factorial divided by 15 factorial into 15 minus 3, that is 12 factorial. Now I am writing it as 4 into 3 factorial, 11 into 10 into 9 factorial, 15 into 14 into 13 into 12 factorial. 12, 12, 9, 9, 3, 3 gets cancelled. 2 factorial is 2, so it is 1 time. So here 3 factorial is nothing but 3 into 2 into 1. So this is 1 time, 5 times, 1 time, 7 times. So total after simplifying we will get 5 gets cancelled. So here the remaining terms are 4 and 11. So 44 divided by 13 into 7, that is 91. So in total 44 by 91 ways we can select a blue shirt out of the given number of shirts. So the probability of selecting a blue shirt is 44 by 91. So option 3 is our correct answer. That is either option C if they are given in alphabets or option 3. See the next question. A flag is to be designed with 6 vertical stripes using some or all the 3 colors yellow, green, blue, red. Then the number of ways this can be done such that no 2 adjacent stripes have the same color is. So total 6 stripes are there. First, second, third, fourth, fifth and 6 stripes are there. So no 2 adjacent sides should have same color. So the first one has no restriction, so it can be filled with any of the 4 colors. But the second one should be filled with only 3 colors. That is the color which is used in the first case should not be used. So the number of chances out of these 4 colors are only 3 colors are available. Similarly, out of 4 colors here 2 is filled with a color. So this color should be excluded. So out of 4 only 3 colors are available. Similarly for 4th, 5th and 6th also the same case will apply. Now the total number of the colors used for the stripes are 4 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. So 4 3s are 12 into 3 power 4. That is nothing but 12 into 81 ways. So in 12 into 81 ways, we can design a new flag such that there will be 6 vertical stripes and the adjacent stripes will not have the same color. So option A is our correct answer. See the next question. In how many ways can 15 people be seated around 2 round tables with seating capacity 7 and 8 people? So first of all, let us consider first round table. So in this first round table, out of 15 people, I am selecting 7 people to be seated. So out of 15 people, 7 people can be selected in 15C7 ways. Now when we are arranging any item or number of people or anything, when we are arranging around a circle, round table will be a form of a circle. So when we are arranging around a circle, we can arrange them in n minus 1 factorial ways. So in first table I have selected 7 people. So they can be arranged in 6 factorial ways, that is 7 minus 1 factorial, so 6 factorial ways. And the remaining people are seated in second table. So totally 8 people are there. So they can be arranged in 8 minus 1 factorial ways, that is 7 factorial ways. So 15C7 into 6 factorial into 7 factorial. So NCR, if 15C7 we can also write it as, this is one of the method. If we are selecting 7 people in the first case, if we are selecting 8 people, we will get out of 15, 8 people are selected, and these 8 people can be arranged in 8 minus 1 factorial ways, that is 7 factorial. Now the remaining 7 people can be seated in 7 minus 1 factorial ways, that is 6 factorial ways. So option C is our correct answer. See the next question. If x plus 1 by x is equals to 2, then find the value of x power 2013 plus 1 by x power 2014. Now given that x plus 1 by x is equal to 2, take LCM, x square plus 1 by x is equals to 2. So that becomes x square plus 1 is equal to 2x, x square minus 2x plus 1 equal to 0. This is nothing of the form of a square minus 2ab plus b square equal to 0, nothing but equal to a minus b whole square. So it is x minus 1 whole square equal to 0. So x minus 1 equal to 0, x is equal to 1. Now x value is 1. 1 power anything is 1 only, plus 1 power 2014. So 1 power anything is 1. So the answer is 1 plus 1 equals to 2. So option A 2 is our correct answer. So see the next question. If x is equal to root of 1 plus root of 1 plus and so on up to infinity, then the positive value of x is. So this equation can be rewritten as x is equal to 1 plus, again root of 1 plus root of 1 plus this. So if we eliminate it, it is again in the form of x itself. So instead of this whole part, we can write simply x. So do the squaring on both sides. X square is equal to 1 plus x square equal to minus x minus 1 equal to 0. We cannot find factors by splitting of the terms. So we have to use the formula of the roots minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Since this equation is of the form ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So a is equal to 1, b equal to minus 1, c is equals to minus 1. Now minus of minus 1 plus root of minus 1 whole square minus 4, a is equal to 1, c is equal to minus 1 by 2 into 1. So that will be equal to minus of minus 1 plus 1 plus or minus 1 minus into minus plus 4 by 2. So 1 plus or minus root of 5 by 2. So that is root 5 plus or minus 1 by 2. So the positive value of x, so they have asked the positive value. So root of 5 plus 1 by 2 is our answer. So option C is our correct answer. See the next question. The arithmetic mean of the scores of a group of students in a test is 52. The brightest 20% of them scored a mean of 80 and the dullest 25% a mean score of 31. The mean score of remaining 55% is. So first let the number of students be 100. So out of the total 100 students, the mean score is 52. The total sum of scores of all the students is 100 into 52. So the total sum is 100 into 52. This should be equal to the sum of scores of individual students. So the brightest 20%, that means out of 100, 20% means 20 students have scored a mean of 80 marks. That is 80 is the score. So the score of 20 students is 20 into 80 plus 25% are dullest. So 25% are dullest means 25 students are dullest. So the dullest scored a mean score of 31. So all the 25 students scored 25 into 31 marks plus the remaining 55%, that is 55 students scored. We should find out the number of marks scored by 55 students. So let it be x, that is equal to 5200 is equal to 1600 plus 775 plus 55x. Now that is equal to 5200 minus 1600 minus 775 is equal to 55x. That implies 55x is equal to 2825. Now x is equals to 2825 divided by 55. 51.36%. So in the options, the nearest value to the 51.36 is 51.4%. So the mean score of 55 students is 51.4%. So option D is our correct answer. See the next problem. The sum of three numbers is 136. The ratio between the first and second number is 2:3, and between the second and third is 5:3, and second number is. So let the three numbers be A, B, C. Given A plus B plus C is equal to 136, and the ratio between the first and second number be 2:3, and the ratio between the second and the third number is 5:3. So I am making this B fraction which will be equals to 3. So when 5 should become 3, we simply multiply it with 3 by 5 is 2. It is in the form of proportional, that is in ratio. So both terms should be increased or decreased or changed by the same factor. So this 3 also should be multiplied with 3 by 5. So it becomes 3:9 by 5. Now so B is to C is 3:9 by 5. Now the both B terms are equal. So we can write A is to B is to C is equal to 2:3:9 by 5. Now they have asked us to find the second number. Second number B is nothing but 136 total into part of B divided by the total of the scores, that is 2 plus 3 plus 9 by 5, 5 plus 9 by 5, 25 plus 9, 34 by 5. So 34 by 5. So that will be equal to, so this is 1 time, this is 4 times, 15 4s are 60. So option C is our correct answer. See, the ratio between the ages of Ram and Mohan is 4:5, and between Ram's and Anil's age is 5:6. If the sum of ages of 3 is 69 years, what is the Mohan's age? So here given Ram is to Mohan age is 4:5. So I am dividing this ratio with by 4. So it will become 4 by 4 1 is to 5 by 4. Next Ram is to Anil's age 5 by 6. So I am dividing this ratio also by 5. So it will become 1 is to 6 by 5. Now the sum of their age of three members is 69 years. What is Mohan's age? Now the sum of all the 3 years. So here Ram's proportion we made it as 1. So we'll take the age of Ram is equals to x. Now we can say that age of Ram is equal to x. Now age of Mohan will become 1:5 by 4. So we can write it as 5 by 4 of x plus 6 by 5 of x is equal to 69. LCM is 20. So 20x plus 25x plus 24x is equal to 69. So add all the three terms. This is 45 plus 24. So 69 x by 20 is equal to 69. So 69 gets cancelled. X is equal to 20 years. So x is equal to 20 years. We have to find out Mohan's age. So what is the Mohan's age? Mohan's age is nothing but 5 by 4 of x. So Mohan's age is 5 by 4 of x. So 5 by 4 into x value is 20. So 1 time 5 times, that is equal to 25 years. So the age of Mohan is 25 years. Option C is our correct answer. See the next question. If A, B, C are real numbers, then the value of root of a power minus 1 into b into root of b power minus 1 into c into root of c power minus 1 into a is equal to. So root of a power minus 1 into b, b power minus 1 into c, c power minus 1 into a. That is b, a power minus 1 means 1 by A. So B by A into C by B into A by C. So we can write it under the one root itself. So B by A into C by B into A by C. All gets cancelled. So it is root of 1, nothing but 1. So option D is our correct answer. See the next question. In a graduate class of 200, 40% of women and 1 by 5th became lecturers. In a graduate class of 200, 40% of women and 1 by 5th became lecturers. If the number of men who become lecturers is twice that of the women, calculate the approximate percentage of men who become lecturers. So out of 200, 40% are women. So 40 by 100 is nothing but 80 are women. Out of this 80, 1/5 of them became lecturers. So 80 into 1 by 5, 80 by 5, that is equals to 16. 16 members became lecturers. So out of 200, if 80 of them are women, the total number of men will be 200 minus 80, that is equals to 120 of them are men. Now out of them 1/5 became lecturers, so 16 members are lecturers. Now they have given that the number of men who became lecturers is twice that of the women. So lecturer men, the men who became lecturers are twice that of the women who became lecturers. So 32 of them became lecturers. Now calculate the approximate percentage of men who became lecturers. So the total number of lecturers by total number of men into 100. 5 times, 6 times. So in 2 table 3 times, 16 times. So it becomes 18 by 3, that is equal to 26.666%. So this is approximately can be rounded off to 27%. So option D is our correct answer. So 27% of the men have become lecturers out of 120 men. See the next question. The successive discounts of 10%, 20% and 30% is equivalent to single discount of. So when they have given only the successive discounts, we should use the formula 1 minus R1 by 100 into 1 minus R2 by 100 into 1 minus R3 by 100 into 100%. So whereas R1 is 10, R2 is 20, R3 is 30. So we will get 1 minus of 10 by 100 into 1 minus 20 by 100 into 1 minus 30 by 100 into 100%. So that is equal to 1 minus 100 minus 10 by 100. So 90 by 100. So here we will get similarly 100 minus 20 by 100, 80 by 100. Here 70 by 100 into 100%. So 0 zeros get cancelled. So this is equal to 1 minus 0.9 into 0.8 into 0.7 into 100. So that is equal to, so this is equal to 1 minus 0.507 into 100%. So that is nothing but equal to 0.496 into 100%. So when we multiply it with 100, it will become 49.6%. So option B is our correct answer. So if they have given in the same sum, if they have given 10 and 20 and 30% of some amount, then we can simply write down 10 by 100 into 20 by 100 into 30 by 100 into that particular value. But they did not given here any number, but they asked the successive discount of an amount. So then we should use only this formula to get our correct answer. See the next question. The ratio of ages of a father to that of a son is 5:2. If the product of the ages in years is 1000, then find the age of father after 10 years. So here given father's age is to son age is 5:2. So let the father's age be 5x and son age be 2x. The product of their ages should be equals to 1000. So 5x into 2x is equal to 1000. That is 10x square is equals to 1000. Now when x square is equal to 1000, X will be equals to 10. Now we have to find the father's age after 10 years. So present age of father is 5x, that is 5 into 10, 50 years. After 10 years, simply add 10 to it. So it will become 60 years. So the age of father after 10 years is 60 years. So option B is our correct answer. See the next question. 16 men and 10 women can together complete a project in 10 days. If 12 women can complete the project in 25 days, in how many days 10 men can complete the same project? So 16 men and 10 women can complete their project in 10 days. So in one day, 16 men and 10 women can complete 1/10 of the work. Now 12 women can complete the project in 25 days. So 12 women in one day, they can complete 1/25th part of the work. Okay. Now let it be first equation and this be second. Multiply this whole equation with 12. So we will get 192 men into 120 women equals to 12 and this with 10. So we will get 120 women is equals to 10/25. Simply subtract these both equations. 192 men is equal to 12/10 minus 10/25. So the LCM is 50. 60 minus 20. So 192 men is equal to 40/50, that is 4/5. One man can do 4/192 into 5. So 1 time. This is 4, 16, 32, 8. One man can do 1/240th part of the work in a single day. That means one man will take 240 days to complete the given project. Now 10 men can complete it in simply 240 divided by 10, that is equals to 24 days. So 10 men can complete the given project work in 24 days. So option B is our correct answer. See the next question. A is traveling at 72 kilometers per hour on a highway while B is traveling at a speed of 25 kilometers per second. B is traveling with a speed of 25 meters per second. What is the difference in speeds in meters per second? Here already B speed is given in meters per second itself. Now we should convert this 72 kilometers per hour into meters per second. So simply multiply it with 5/18. So this is 1 times, this is 4 times. We will get 20 meters per second. So they asked just simply the difference between them. So the thing you should remember is change the units, that is from kilometers to meters per second. So 25 minus 20 is equal to 5 meters per second. So option D is our correct answer. See the next question. A man travels 600 kilometers by train at 80 kilometers per hour and 800 kilometers by ship at 40 kilometers per hour, 500 kilometers by airplane at 400 kilometers per hour and 100 kilometers by a car at 50 kilometers per hour. What is the average speed for the entire distance? So first let us calculate the total distance he has travelled, that is 600 kilometers plus 800 kilometers plus 500 kilometers plus 100 kilometers. So this will be equals to 2000 kilometers. Now let us find the average time which we had travelled. So now let us find the total time took by him to travel by all these modes of transport. First by train. So by train he travelled with a speed of 80 kilometers per hour, a distance of 600 kilometers. Time is equal to distance by speed. So total time is equals to T total is equal to 600 by 80 plus 800 by 40 plus 500 distance by 400 plus 100 divided by 50. Cancel out. So we can take here 1 time, 2 times. The total LCM as 8. 60 plus 8 divided by 4, 2. So 160 plus similarly 8 divided by 4, 2. 10 plus here the denominator is 1. So we can write it as 16. That is equal to 220, 230, 246. 246 by 8, that is equal to 123 by 4. So this is the total time taken by him. Now we should find out the average speed. So average speed, nothing but the same speed formula, distance by time. So average speed is equal to total distance by total time. So the total distance is 2000 divided by time. So 2000 divided by 123 into 4. So that is equal to 8000 by 123, which is nothing but equals to 65 by 123 kilometers per hour. So option B is our correct answer. See the next question. A train takes 5 minutes to cross a telegraphic post. Then the time taken by another train whose length is just the double of the first train moving with the same speed to cross the platform of its own length. So first let us consider the first train. So the first train takes 5 minutes to cross a telegraphic post. So here I am converting this minutes into seconds. So 5 into 60, that is equals to 300 seconds, because per minute we are having 60 seconds. So to cross a telegraphic post it takes 300 seconds. Now the speed is equals to distance by time. The distance of the train, let the length of the train be x. So the same length is nothing but the distance to cross the telegraphic post. Because in order to cross the telegraphic post, the train has to travel its own length completely to cross the telegraphic post. So the distance will become the length of the train, that is x by 300 meters per second, because we are using or we are considering the distance or the length of the train as x, or the distance to travel the telegraphic post is x. Now the length of the second train is twice that of the length of the first train. So the length of the second train is 2x. Now they have given the time taken by another train whose length is just double of the first train and moving with the same speed to cross a platform of its own length. When it is crossing the platform, it should travel its own length and also it should cross the length of the platform. So the total distance covered will be its own length plus length of the platform, which is also equals to the length of the train. So it is 4x. Now speed is equals to distance by time. Speed is nothing but the same speed where it travels where it crosses the telegraphic post, that is x by 300 is equal to distance 4x by time. X gets cancelled. Time is equals to 4 into 300, that is equals to 1200 seconds. So they have asked us in minutes. So divide it by 60. We will get it as 20 minutes. So option C, 20 is our correct answer. See the next question. 4 men and 6 women can finish a job in 8 days, while 3 men and 7 women finish it in 10 days. In how many days will 10 women finish it? So write down the given data. 4 men and 6 women can finish a job in 8 days. So in a single day, 4 men and 6 women complete 1/8 part of the work. Next, 3 men and 7 women can complete a work in 10 days. So in a day, they can complete 1/10 of the work. Now we will solve these both equations. We have to find how many days will 10 women will finish. So we have to find in how many days does 10 women finish the job. So we have to eliminate men. So multiply this equation with 3 and this equation with 4. So it will become 12m plus 18w is equal to 3/8. Here 12m plus 28w is equals to 4/10. Now subtract. We will get minus 10w is equal to 3/8, 2 times, 5 times. minus 2 by 5. So take LCM here 40. Just cross multiply. It will be very easy. 15 minus 16. That is minus 1 by 40. So this transforms to minus 10 W is equal to minus 40. Cancel W's. So one woman can complete 1 by 400 part of the work in a single day. So one woman can complete the work in 400 days. They asked us in how many days 10 women can complete the work. So simply divide it by 10. So 10 women can complete in 40 days. So 10 women can complete the work in 40 days. So option C is our correct answer. See the next question. In what ratio must water be mixed with milk to gain 16 2 by 3 percentage on selling the mixture at cost price? Cost price of 1 liter of milk be 1 rupee. Now the selling price of mixture, 1 liter of mixture be also 1 rupee, because here they have given that selling the mixture at the cost price. So we are selling 1 liter of the mixture at 1 liter of the mixture also at 1 rupee. Now the gain is given as, gain percentage is given as 16 2 by 3. That is nothing but 16 3s are 48 plus 2, 50 by 3 percentage. Now we have to find out the ratio of water to be mixed with milk. Now selling cost price of 1 liter of mixture will be equal to 100 into selling price divided by 100 plus gain percentage. So that is equals to 100 by 100 plus 50 by 3 into 1. So 100 by, take LCM, we will get 300 plus 50 divided by 3. That is equal to 3 will go to the numerator, 300 by 350. So that is 6 by 7. Now the cost price of 1 liter of mixture is 6 by 7. So by alligation and mixtures, we can write it as cost price of 1 liter of water is 0 rupees, whereas the cost price of 1 liter of milk is, so the cost price of 1 liter of pure milk without mixing water is 1 rupee. Now we have found out that the main price is 6 by 7. So we have got cost price of 1 liter of mixture is 6 by 7. So by alligations and mixture we can write cost price of water, cost price of milk. So if in 1 liter of pure milk, the cost price of 1 liter of water is 0. Here we have considered it as 1 rupee. Now the cost price of mixture is 6 by 7. So the main price is 6 by 7. So 6 by 7 minus 0, we will get 6 by 7. 6 by 7, 1 minus 6 by 7, we will get 1 by 7 here. Now they have asked us the ratio of water is to milk in the mixture. So ratio of water is to milk. So 1 by 7 is to 6 by 7. 7 will get cancelled. So the ratio of water is to milk in the mixture is 1 is to 6. So option A is our correct answer. See the next question. Two pipes can fill a tank in 12 hours, 16 hours respectively. A third pipe can empty the tank in 30 hours. If all the three pipes are open and function simultaneously, how much time will the tank take to be full in hours? So A and B are keep on filling the tank, while as the pipe C is emptying the tank. So that when the three pipes are open simultaneously, we will add the pipes efficiency who will fill the tank, and we will subtract them who will empty the tank. So pipe A, let the three pipes be named as A, B, C. So pipe A and pipe B will be keep on filling the tank. So pipe A will fill in 12 hours. So per 1 hour it can fill 1 by 12th of the tank. Similarly pipe B will fill in 16 hours. So in 1 hour it can fill 1 by 16th part of the tank. So all the three pipes are added or open simultaneously. So these A and B are filling the tank. So I am adding those both values, while the pipe C is emptying the tank. So I should subtract the part of the tank fill emptied by the pipe C. So in 30 hours, pipe C can empty the tank. So in 1 hour, it can empty 1 by 30th part of the tank. Now take LCM, it will be 240. So 1 into 240 by 12, it is 20 plus 1 into 240 by 16. So it is 15 minus 240 divided by 30. It is 1 into 8. So that is equal to 20 plus 15 minus 8 by 240. That is equal to 35 minus 8 by 240. So that is equals to 27 by 240. So in 1 hour, or when the 3 pipes are opened simultaneously, it can only 27 by 240 parts of the tank will be filled. So totally, if all the 3 pipes are open simultaneously, 240 by 27 hours it will take to fill the complete tank. So that is nothing but equals to, so it will take 824 by 27 hours to fill the tank. So in 3 table you can cancel 8 times 9 times. So 8 by 9 hours. So when all the 3 pipes are open simultaneously, here 8 by 9 hours will be taken to complete the tank fully. So when all the 3 pipes are open simultaneously, the tank will fill in 8 by 9 hours. So option C is our correct answer. See the next question. Pipes A, B can fill the tank in 20 hours and 30 hours respectively, and pipe C can empty the tank in 40 hours. If all the 3 pipes are open together, how much time it will be needed to make the tank full? Similarly to the previous question. So pipe A can fill in 20 hours. So in 1 hour it fill 1 by 20th part of the tank. So pipe B can fill in 30 hours. So in 1 hour it can fill 1 by 30th part of the tank. Pipe C will empty the tank in 40 hours. So in 1 hour it can empty 1 by 40th of the tank. So that is nothing but equals to 120 is our LCM. So 6 plus 120 by 2, 6 plus 120 by 3, 4 minus 120 by 4, that is 3. So that is equal to 10 minus 3 by 120. So 7 by 120th part of the tank will be filled when 3 are open simultaneously. So totally 120 by 7 hours will be taken to fill the tank completely. So that is nothing but equals to 17 1 by 7 hours. So 17 1 by 7 hours time will be taken to fill the tank completely. So option C is our correct answer. See the next problem. Veena obtained an amount of 8,376 as simple interest on a certain amount of 8% per annum after 6 years. What is the amount invested by Veena? So the total sum is equals to, it is simple interest, so PNR by 100. We have to find out the amount invested, that is the principal amount, that is equal to P is equal to S into 100 by N into R. So that is equal to, the sum is 8376 into 100 divided by 6 years at the rate of 8%. So R is equals to 8. Now this is equal to 17450, that is 17,450 rupees is our principal amount. So option C is our correct answer. See the next question. The present worth of 169 due in 6 years at 4% annum compound interest is, okay, the present worth of 169 due in 2 years at 4% per annum. So R is equal to 4%, N is equal to 2 years, and the sum is equals to 169. Now we have to find out the present worth of this amount. So that is equals to 169 by 1 plus R by 100 whole power n. So that is 169 by 1 plus R is equals to 4 by 100 whole power n, 25 times. So we will get n is equal to 2. 169 by 25 plus 1 by 25 whole square. So it will become 169 into, this is 26 by 25. So we will get 25 by 26 into 25 by 26. So this will be equal to 156.25. So this 156.25 amount after 2 years at a rate of 4% per annum has changed to 169 due. Okay, that is option C is our correct answer. So see the next question. The ratio of area of square to the of the square drawn on its diagonal is. First, the ratio of square if the side is equal to S or A. Suppose let the side be S. So the area will be S square. Here they have involved diagonal also. So the length of the diagonal is root 2S when the S is the side. Now the area of the square with respect to diagonal will be root 2S whole square. Now they have asked the ratio of area of square to that of the square drawn on its diagonal. So root 2S whole square. S square by root 2 whole square is 2. S square is S square. That is 1 by 2. So the ratio is 1:2. So option C is our correct answer. See the next problem. The ratio of length and breadth of a rectangle are 3:2 respectively. The respective ratio of perimeter and area is 5:9. What is the breadth of the rectangle in meters? So let us consider the length be 3x and breadth be 2x and the ratio of its perimeter and area are in the ratio 5:9. Now let us find the perimeter of the rectangle with respect to length and breadth. That is nothing but 2 into L plus B. So it is equal to 2 into 3x plus 2x, that is equal to 2 into 5x. So it is equal to 10x and the area is simply L into B, that is 3x into 2x. So that will be equal to 6x square. Now they also have given the ratio of area is to perimeter. So let us equate these both terms. So ratio of area is to perimeter with respect to these terms are 10x by 6x square, which is equal to our given ratio, that is 5/9. Now x term gets cancelled. 1 time, 2 times, this is 3 times, this is 2 times, 2 gets cancelled. So we will get 1 by x is equal to 1 by 3. That implies x is equal to 3 meters. Now we have to find out the breadth. Breadth is nothing but equal to 2x. So 2 into 3, 6 meters is our breadth value. So option A, 6 meters is our correct answer. See the next question. The cost of a paint is 36.50 rupees per kg. If 1 kg of paint covers 16 square feet, how much will it cost to paint outside of a cube having 8 feet each side? So in a cube all sides are equal and the side is given as 8 feet. Now the area of the cube will be simply 6a square, that is equal to 6 into 64, that is equals to 384 square feet. Now 1 kg of paint covers 16 square feet. So 384 square feet requires how many kgs of paint? So simply 384 divided by 16 into 1, that is equal to 24 kgs. Now they have asked how much it will cost to paint a cube having 8 feet each side. So per 1 kg it will cost 36.50 rupees. For 24 kgs it will cost 24 into 36.50, that is 876 rupees. So total it will cost 870 rupees to paint a cube outside which is of 8 feet each side. So option B, 876 is our correct answer. See the next question. A watch becomes fast by 5 minutes every day. What is the percentage that it becomes fast? So in a day we have total 24 hours. Each hour has 60 minutes. So total we will be having 1440 minutes. Now the watch becomes 5 minutes fast every day. So the percentage of it becomes fast by, that is 5 minutes by total number of minutes 1440 into 100. So 0 gets cancelled, simply 5 times are 50 by 144 percentage. So option D is our correct answer. 50 by 144% fast it becomes every day. So this completes our model paper. I hope you all understood this. Thank you.